Give me a line to say. What would you like me to say in a lower tone? I'm a bit nervous to show my ara, especially in a low tone. I don't know how low I can go though. Hold on. Let me turn off the mic and I'm gonna see how low I can go. I also just drank some water. I have to gradually make my voice a little bit lower. It doesn't work immediately. How low can I go? Wait, I didn't mute! No! No! Okay, I'm gonna do it again properly. Is that the lowest I can go? Oh my god! Nah, ara doesn't fit me. Let's try Oya. Oya. That's pretty funny.